Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a blog with Squarespace. Start by selecting a Squarespace template that aligns with your blog's aesthetic and purpose. Squarespace offers hundreds of professionally designed options. Next, easily add a dedicated blog page to your site's navigation. Finally, choose a custom domain name that is both memorable and relevant to your content, helping readers find you easily. This foundational setup takes just a few minutes. Now, let's dive into creating your first blog post. Simply click to add a new post and give it an engaging title. Squarespace's intuitive editor allows you to effortlessly add text, high-quality images, and even videos to enrich your content. Remember to organize your posts with relevant categories and tags, making it simple for readers to explore your archives and find exactly what they are looking for. To ensure your blog reaches a wider audience, focus on search engine optimization. Craft compelling titles and meta descriptions for each post using relevant keywords. Promote your new content by sharing it across all your social media channels. Additionally, consider setting up an email newsletter to keep your subscribers informed and engaged with your latest updates and insights. Squarespace offers several advanced features to enhance your blog. Enable comments to encourage interaction and build a vibrant community around your content. You can also integrate various third-party tools for additional functionality, such as scheduling or advanced forms. Finally, regularly review your blog's performance using Squarespace's built-in analytics to understand your audience and refine your strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.